Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple selection dropdowns in Google Sheets. And yes, this is using the latest 2024 updates. If you've ever wanted an easy way for people to pick more than one option in your spreadsheet or simply make your data entry faster and more foolproof, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you know how to set up these dropdowns, but you'll also understand why using them can seriously boost your workflow in Google Sheets. All right, let's dive right in. First off, if you already have the data in your spreadsheet, let's say maybe you have a list of project tasks or student names, whatever it may be, the first thing to do is highlight or select the specific cells where you want to add your dropdowns. Now, selecting is as simple as clicking and dragging over the range with your mouse, or you can even use the Shift key with your arrow keys for a little extra speed. The key here is you want to make sure you're only selecting the cells where you want those dropdown menus, rather than the whole sheet, just to keep everything tidy. For example, if you're tracking project statuses, maybe you want dropdowns only in the status column, not the names or dates. Once your data cells are selected, take a look up at the top row in Google Sheets where the menus are. Find and click on the Insert tab. I always tell people don't overlook the menu bar, it's like the control center for everything you do in Sheets. Once you're in Insert, scan down the list of options and you'll see one labeled Dropdown. Go ahead and click it. When you select Dropdown, Google Sheets instantly adds a dropdown menu to every cell you highlighted. If you haven't seen it before, the dropdown looks like a little arrow on the right side of the cell. When you click it, your list of options appears. Sheets might suggest a couple of choices by default, but here where the magic happens, you can customize these choices to fit your exact needs. For example, maybe you want options like In Progress, Completed, or Needs Review, or maybe you want to allow people to select multiple project roles. It's all totally flexible. Now if you want your dropdown to allow multiple asterisk selections, because let's be honest, sometimes one answer just isn't enough, here a quick tip. When editing your dropdown in the customization pane that pops up, look for the Allow Multiple Selections toggle, turn it on. This lets users click as many options as they need instead of being limited to just one. If you're planning to track which team members are assigned to a task, for example, this is super handy. At this point, your dropdowns are fully active. Give them a try, just click on a cell, choose your options, and you'll see them added right inside the cell, often separated by commas. It's a bit like giving each row its own customizable command center where choices are clear, consistent, and easy to update, no more typos or confusing data. If you don't see the options you want, don't worry. You can edit the drop-down choices at any time by selecting the cell, clicking the edit icon, and updating your list. It's built for flexibility. And that's all there is to it. Once you start using multiple selection drop-downs, you'll wonder how you ever managed your sheets without them. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments below. I love helping out, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.